everyone. What a beautiful day.
Mommy! Yes, it is.
Let's find food together. That sounds wonderful. Let's all go. It's safer in a group. Danger near the
Something is coming. We need to leave.
Where is it?
Head upstream.
Be careful. I saw danger near the river.
Thank you for telling us.
Look out below. Anything there?
Keep moving.
Follow me.
Census. When we communicate and share information with one another, we stay safe, help each other, and live in harmony.